No texting while driving in the rain. On the way. Fuck. Not going that way. Don't block me. Come on, man.
Now, people cussing and busting to get nothing but in the ground with it blown out. Oh, well, tell me how he got the stuff and he tough and he was young with a grown mouth. Zoned out, cause my mother was gone house. Empty what he sent me was the alone route. Bone out to the studio, hit the Don Julio. My duty go if I'm Rudy, yo, get up and get the song out. My angel fades, then came more rage. And even those things on back 11, we will take 9 with the extension. HK hit 47, made it men down on the radio. Put that on the Bible, boy, count your blessings. Put that on the Bible, boy, count your blessings. Put that on the Bible, boy, count your blessings. Put that on the Bible, boy, count your blessings. I felt like they told, said I'm coming to get you. Well, that's when all of the heavy artillery come in the picture. And luckily, because of your past, you can have someone assist you. I was raised a cool brother, but these motherfuckers went and summoned a nigga. I swore to never let a man's hand take me to my grave, nigga. With my fortune, I'ma get the torture like organized spray, nigga. I know they dying to get up with the 9, that's fine. They wanna make a nigga do the woo. So I'ma take the carbine and put it to your mind. It's going through you, not a ring like a hula hoop. Put that on the Bible. If you fucking with tech, the Bible. Totally tripping, trying to take my title. Lift you right up in the sky with the Eiffel. You can do this if he chooses to be foolish. The gun never loses. Never give you the deuces, nigga. This is who it is. Let me calm my nerves. I'ma simply put this on the word. If you're hella aggravated because of a song you heard from the Nina, I smoke a nigga like my ganja herb. I'm on the verge, no life beyond the surge. When I bomb, you're served. What does one deserve but a head stumping up its teeth on the curb, nigga? Have you ever seen a Mackie living?
Check. On it.
You take 9 with the extension. HK 47. Made it men down. True, a nigga may sound, but he really don't do what you say. Got good, but he really won't shoot. He afraid. I'll lay a nigga down right now. Fade to the concrete, no to the ground. Do him in the street for a prayer to the cloud. And the flash and the bang, it is rarely allowed. But whole body down in a hole in the ground. Dig one for the niggas who be holding you down. Better know I got rounds and they will go around. It's enough. Eat a bullet from the 4 gun if you tough. And then let the chopper free down and get up. You pull that out, I believe so. Otherwise, nigga, you just surface out a mother guy. I kill you dead and I put that on my mother's eyes. Don't listen to the nigga, they just kick a bunch of lies. They got a bunch of guns, shot them all a bunch of times. I really do believe Tech got a bunch of 9s. Before they gave my nigga teach a bunch of time. I really knew my nigga Young had a bunch of pies. For the low, my nigga had it for the high. So you believe them niggas out there talk about the BMF, they should be the nigga, none of mine. I know Young got it about what he rap about. I really pulled Meek Mills at the trap out. Just like I seen Doe B with a OZ. Turn around 2 weeks, had a whole key. Just cause I said it's a joke, did the dope game did like this. Got a nigga when they show me. Get what I'm trying to say, nigga, I don't know you. And furthermore, pussy nigga, I don't want to. Hold up, we got a problem here? Have you ever seen a Mackie living? You take 9 with the extension. HK 47. The Bible boy, count your blessings. Put that on the Bible boy, count your blessings. Put that on the Bible boy, count your blessings. Put that on the Bible boy, count your blessings. It only do what I tell it. God don't kill people. People kill people. And I know the people who kill people. Play around with it if you want to.
This is hip hop.
Small village, man. You know what I'm saying? This is hip hop.
Love this.
Okay. Just another way me and my crew say no way, or it's not okay when I got the bottles paid. And somebody you don't know that wanna swallow say, I don't got no grip but wanna sip. Okay. Can I take your blunt right to my lips? Okay. Broke ass always begging me, that's no okay. You don't understand then, bitch, no way. See you ballin', gotta tell him no okay. Looking like a money bag, smelling Dolce. I'm hungry looking at you like a third Chipotle. All you gotta tell him when the hell ain't go play. We flying, you trying to get a check, sit next to who's buying. She want a sex event, never request a net, and love check, protect, but you lying. Hey, and that's no K. Get away and the bitch best obey. Tryna use sex to get your way, but the greed negated everything that hoe say. As you play it out like expose, tryna get quality time like let's crochet. Got me thinking of chinning some underhanded women, but I never hit a woman, so I'm a fetch so late. And Genuine said that's no K. Saying if you got your hand out, stop your damn mouth, ain't none of my fault. You got no big, so needy. I'm on Ace of Spades and you J. Roche. They wanna try and get whatever you got, wanna wear the chain and watch. I'ma say no K, no K, okay. That's what I say when I don't really want it. Say that it's alright, no K, okay. That's what I tell you when I ain't just trying to talk to you all night. No. Bitch, but I ain't finna give her none of my pay. No way, no how, no what? What? Bitch, I don't give a fuck. This paper over pussy, P.O.P. P.O.P. Celebrity get everything for free. Free. If you can't swim, you gon' drown. Throw a bitch up in the air, break her before she hit the ground. No K, no K, no K, no K, no K. This ain't Broadway, no play. From the track, from the cage, from the soil, from the mud. From the mud. Where's hell hate? No love. No suckers allowed in my camp, but hell no, you can't hit my weed, you tramp. Wanna stand on the stage? No K, you can't. You ride on my bus? No K, you can't. Why you always got your hand out? All you do is pop like a woman. Grown man act like niggas owe you something. Habitual lie, always lying for net. Start a lot of shit and be the first one running. No K, no K. Told on hella niggas in the game, like Jose, AK, AK-47 to a nigga Brian.
Oh, they was at WWE.
Okay. That's what I say.
What's up, Cali? We're all true.
No K. That's what I tell you when I ain't just trying talk to you all night. No,
Cali, baby.
No, that's not okay. It's not okay. I'm 100. So I'ma tell you that's okay.
That joint rocks. No K. It ain't even raining no more. I got this.
Like I'm a 30-06 when I'm ripping the beat up, but then I heard he got pissed when I got at the top and they made him pretty hot. Cause he knowin' the tech and he needs a dirty chop. He's handled, Holmes, he is a handful. How in the hell he hovering, having hella go ham though. I said to 7 Richie Havens will be the man, so we put it together thinking Eminem was a gamble. Guess not, cause he beat the guest spot. Calico said what we doing, I said to him let's chop. So now the people finally get 3 of the best lots. Never be another choppers coming, so let's rock, nigga. You're on. People got to wondering if it's a for sure song. Guess I got another killer making the torch strong. If you're thinking about it, you're gone.
Nobody can catch a meat as beating as us. The beating the problem, and if you got a feed in your mouth, you gon' have to beat it about them. There's a lot of them, and I made a lot of them. And me and Nina used to follow them. I got a everybody. I'm Mississippi man, a hitman, a hitman, karate him. And if fans will lift hands with the dance and out of them. And if cans at the band, so we stand the proud of them. Who stands with 2 hands and one in the crowd of them? Everybody make a sense, so you can stand with the air, baby, like a band. It ain't never been a gift for me to heat him, I beat him, I burn him. Better let him out. They never heard of us and look at them turning up. Slap the shirt up, a super simple to make them, but empty to info. When I be flipping niggas, been feminine. That's for the purpose to pivot, pin, reversing conditions of living in it. The bigger numbers than lemonade. Gotta be faster and smash on a nigga with half the cash. I'm a little sicker, quicker than you figure. I make a shipper bigger than the winner. If you half-ass delivering, I'ma eat your dinner. Better than mine, I mean other guys. I jump around so that mean I'm rubberized. Me and I master, meaning me murderized. Beat 'em till I beat 'em. Speed up. If you wanna go with the speed up, I'ma leave 'em in the dust. Speed up. I'ma feed 'em when the bus. Speed up. And I'm gonna hit the clutch. Speed up. If you wanna go with the speed up, I'ma leave 'em in the dust. Speed up. I'ma feed 'em when the bus. Speed up. And I'm gonna hit the clutch. Sometimes I feel like I'm way over slow down.
slow down.
Hey!
Before I wreck this beat, let me just check the seat. If Stephanie Mills left any extra refills of ecstasy pills next to me in the seat still, or she eat them all with a breakfast drink. You expect the same? In the habit of grabbing a mic and bathroom and adapting the mics, but I might just swallow my fucking writing tab. But after the night, I'm grabbing it right from the medicine cabinet, cause that's what it's like. And attacking it like a dragon, a bite, jetpacking the backpack when I write this thing. A pin up inside, I win up inside, a Binnick is diner with a cigarette lighter. Figured I try to set a big in the fire that'll trigger the sprinkler system and not escape with the getaway driver. Screwed up my limit collider with the Senate divider. I went through the window, it ended up being pinned. Decided for some I offended beside a friend of the guy's white friend of the flight attendant from Idaho. The chugging attendant in the vagina. When I pick up a pen, I'm venomous and I'm stickers, tennis, the minutes like an evil dental hygienist. You've been getting to minutes, I ain't fitted. The son of Genesis, synonymous and nemesis to a feminist. Fucking smart, I look degenerate. I got Ellen DeGeneres trying to tell me these men are just full of jealousy. Envious, the female independence, hell with a clitoris. Hit or miss, you will never consider this a bit of disappointment. I'll never fail to deliver this. Whatever the weather in this will be just like a certificate of authenticity. But I'm thinking about just trying to think of the quickest and sickest way to make them pick it up. Pick a day to be pricked and I'm picking the wickedest shit to sight. Spit it back at a level incredible, helpful, rebel, unforgettable. Better leave these beats are edible like a settle. You see, and I stalk my prey. You think you got away, not today. Murder you on a song and then I'll just say I was with Dr. Drake and Robert Blake eating lobster steak and coffee cake at a restaurant with Drake and Tech. Just gotta make sure that our stories corroborate. I'm a lot to take, like Kanye walking up on the stage for Beyonce. Like it's my job to say that you're not a real artist, but it's my obligation. On the stage, on its way, you are not getting ammunition. Replenish the Punisher with his gun and your 100 words and a clip on the words. Motherfuckers better run if you're not looking to get run over by the road running. No one don't wanna go and jump in front of a fucking runaway locomotive, but get thrown up on him. Just trying to fuck with the
Speed up. If you wanna go with the speed up, I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up. I'ma speed him when the bus. Speed up. And you gonna hit the clutch. Speed up. If you wanna go with the speed up, I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up. I'ma speed him when the bus. Speed up. And you gonna hit the clutch. Sometimes I feel like I'm way over slowed down. Sometimes I feel like I'm never slowed down. I'm the fury, the final fight. I flip it on fraudulent fellas, fulfilling fright. I flick it on fire, finish them when the flow and fly. Feminine fakers fall, I'm falling up for the fight.
Yes.
Never forget it. I severed the head of a critic. I sped up and did it. You're tripping to be a dead epidemic. I wet up a clinic and make a bloody red up percentage of an adequate habit. It was never the devil. I put up a fight up in the industry. Metal to metal, we're giving a lot of energy. We rep and be checking, he that be Cobra. If he's an evil enemy, it'll be over. I'm gonna get down in front of your tail. You ever making fun of the clown? I'm gonna get down. We doing it under the ground. A wonderful sound. If anybody come at the hound, I wanna be found. We'll never be chopping without Slick Rick. I got it from the record, lick the bars in this dick. If you never listen to me, a musical misfit. No, cause every time I be dropping, I get bit. I'm hearing a lot of rappers, they trying to spit quick. But the Middle West got them and we kill them in this bitch. If you ain't in my circle of choppers, you missed it. Cause me and my nigga Twist the ruler in this hit. Speed up. If you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up. I'ma speed him when the bus. Speed up. And you gonna hit the clutch. Speed up. If you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up. I'ma speed him when the bus. Speed up. And I'm gonna hit the clutch. Sometimes